How to update OnStream app. So first of all, launch the browser app on your device from the home screen. In the search bar, type OnStream latest APK download and press enter. From the search results, open a trusted and safe website that offers the latest OnStream APK file. Tap the download APK button on the website and wait for the file to download completely. Once downloaded, go to your device file manager and open the downloads folder. Find the OnStream APK file in the downloads folder and tap on it to begin the update process. A prompt will appear on screen. Tap install to start updating the OnStream app. Let the update process finish completely without closing or interrupting it. Once updated, tap open and enjoy the latest version of OnStream with all new features. Thank you for watching.